When the final Harry Potter book came out in 2007, Potterheads everywhere were pretty bummed that their fave magical story was ending forever. But they quickly learned they had nothing to worry about because J.K. Rowling was keeping the series alive through spin-offs like Cursed Child and Fantastic Beasts. She basically reveals tons of secrets about the wizarding world on Pottermore and Twitter all the time these days. Like, did you know there are actually 2 Harry Potters? No, seriously, there are 2. In one of Rowling's posts on Pottermore, the genius author delved deep into Harry's family tree to reveal that the Harry Potter we know and love today wasn't the first Harry Potter. Harry's great-grandfather was named Henry Potter, but to his close friends, he was Harry. Harry's great-grandfather rocked the boat just as much as Harry did in his time. According to Rowling's history of the Potter clan, he caused a stir when he publicly condemned the then Minister of Magic, Archer Evermond, for forbidding the magical community to help Muggles during the First World War. His outspokenness on behalf of Muggles was pretty much why the Potters were excluded from the Sacred 28, the 28 British families that were still truly pure blood. So defending the defenseless and being generally awesome runs in Harry's blood. Mind blown. Were you as shocked as I was when you found out that there are 2 Harry Potters? Definitely subscribe to 17's YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our future mind-blowing plot holes and crazy fan theories.